Year 3 to Week 2, Lesson 2 of our home learning lessons. This is numeracy. The key vocabulary we're going to be using today is place value, hundreds, tens, ones, partition, round, mental addition. Our learning objective today is to add 2- and 3-digit numbers mentally using place value or rounding as a strategy. Today, we will be working on the easiest additions of all, no work additions, where they almost solve themselves. These are often called place value additions, as it is the place value that makes them easy. For example, 285 plus 200. Why is this so easy? It's easy because all we have to do is add 200 and 200. The tens and ones stay the same. Now let's try this one. 285 plus 203. How is it similar to the previous one? Is it still easy? Can you work out the answer? You can use place value. The hundreds, tens and ones. We do the 200 plus 200, what equals 400. Then we do the tens and ones. 85 plus 3 equals 88. 285 plus 203 equals 488. Now, let's try this one. 528 plus 340. Just add the hundreds. 500 plus 300 equals 800. Then add the 40 to 28 to get 68. 528 plus 340 equals 868. How can we tell by looking at the numbers that we don't need to write it out? We can tell because it's easy to do it in our heads. No work additions often have zeros in the numbers. They can be solved by counting on a few hundreds, tens or ones, but not all three. Now let's try this one. 416 plus 299. How would you solve this? There are no zeros and it's not a place value no work sum. But there is an easy, quick way to work it out without writing it as a column addition. Think about rounding. What number is 299 very close to? What could we add instead of 299? Well done, 300. Then add 300 to 416 to get 716. What do we have to remember? We have to remember to subtract the 1 at the end because we added 1 too many. So the answer is not 716, but 715. On the next slide, you'll be practicing adding mentally. You can make notes, but you do not need to write out the addition in columns, as you should be able to do them in your heads, or by making notes if that helps you. So now try this.